Hi, I'm Ellie from YHA, and these are my top tips for anyone that wants to get into cold water swimming. First things, definitely do your research. Do research on your spot, make sure you know the safe entry and exit points, you know where you're swimming in the conditions, even the temperature if you can. Research really makes you equipped for any plunge. Bring a mate, please. Cold water swimming is an intense activity, and not only is it great fun to do with friends, but there's a safety in numbers. Make sure you pack properly, so you have your warm layers, you have a hot drink, you have any extra equipment you need like boots and gloves. And lastly, just make sure you are aware of what you're bringing into the water and that you're not going to disturb any local wildlife. So make sure you're not trampling vegetation, you're aware of what wildlife is around you and what you're bringing into water, either on your kit and your body, so PFCs, in sun creams and things like that, and any microplastics that might be on your kit. Just be aware of, but mostly just have fun.